Hey guys, this is Max Van over at Sportbike Track Gear and Racer Gloves USA, and I'm just coming at you with a short little video and announcing that we are running a live 10% off Black Friday sale on Sportbike Track Gear and RacerGlovesUSA.com from now when this video is posted until Cyber Monday, which is November 30th, and it will end at midnight. And this is no TikTok shop bullshit sale. I'm coming at you guys, of course, with a quality product that I believe in, protecting my hands at least 6 to 7 times now, and I will continue to have trust and faith in my awesome product. And these gloves are, most of them are at least back with Knox SPS palm sliders, which are awesome. Some are the dual impact, which have amazing technology to protect you in the slide, made out of kangaroo leather, cowhide leather. Some of the chassis have that, and also a goat skin palm. And I live, eat, sleep, and breathe, whatever the hell you want to say, motorcycles. I love this. I am I guess, gear nerd. I won't say a gear geek because I'm not a geek. But I love talking about motorcycles. I love talking about motorcycle gear and my experiences and how certain gloves and certain everything, gear, helmets, whatever, has protected me in crashes. And coming out of professional, I've, I guess, not that many years riding motorcycles, right around 7 to 8, but I've crashed enough times to have a professional standpoint and word on what products I believe in. So, if you guys want to give us a call at Sportbike Track Gear or RacerGlovesUSA.com and pick up a badass pair of gloves that I believe in for 10% off, you can, give us a call, shoot us an email. I love talking to you guys. I appreciate everything you guys have done. Help me fulfill my dreams, man. I love you guys. Love selling gear. Love talking to you. Thank you guys. Have a happy holidays and a great Black Friday.